Financials remains on top of that list, Neeraj. First off, on cash balances, they've actually not come off much. They remain above the 4% mark where mutual funds are concerned. And therefore, you may see a wee bit reduction from 4.4 to 4.2, but outside of that, really cash balances continue to remain quite solid, 4% plus. Now, in terms of what's preferred financials, look at the top two, PNB and Kotak. We've also tried to extrapolate 12-month returns along with the average upside given by analysts as per Bloomberg estimates. And therefore, this kind of compiles and shows you the big picture. These are large cap buys, of course. PNB, Kotak, no surprise there for April. One of the largest buys by mutual funds. A 13% upside from here. Zomato is the other one, notably. Continues to be on the buy list for many mutual funds, 16% upside from here. But outside of that, as correctly pointed out by Neeraj, Power Grid is the other one in terms of utilities, even though not too bullish where where sell-side analysts is concerned. So that one. But let's take it to the sell list for the month of April. Jio, the kind of run-up the stock has seen, on the back of that, no surprise. Despite that, we still have some bit of upside as per analyst estimates. Look at what SBI has done, and that one is something which mutual funds have sold. BEL is the other one, along with Tata Steel and ITC. Look at the 12-month returns for ITC, 6%. Came as a bit of a surprise to me as well, but 16% upside what most analysts seem to be penciling in. Just in terms of in the mid-cap space, what's happening, let's pull that list up. And you get to see Suzlon as the top buy, and within the top 5 outside of the underrated ones, just look at Suzlon in terms of upside as well. Top upside, and notably so, it is the top buy in the mid-cap space for mutual funds. Outside of that, you have Ashok Leyland, GMR Airports, SAIL and NMDC as well. On the sell side of things, Vodafone Idea, after that stellar run-up, 88% run-up for Vodafone Idea. Look at NHPC's run-up over the last year or so, and look at Exide's run-up over the last year or so. 2.5 bagger for Exide, 1+ bagger for NHPC as well. And therefore, some of those stocks on the sell list for mutual funds. Let's pull up the small caps. In the buy list, Sterlite Tech, SBFC, the NBFC. Nalco is the other one, still continuing to be bullish. City Union Bank and IEX. City Union Bank not done much within the nifty mid and small cap banks. You know, they've whole host of banks seen a run up, but City Union stayed out of it. And IEX, you know, making it to that small cap buy list. Let's look at the sell list though. You know, TV18, look at the kind of returns, 12-month returns that some of these stocks have offered. No surprises there that some mutual funds really unloading some of that. But look at Aster DM, 44% upside from here is what analysts seem to suggest. But nonetheless, on the mutual fund sell list.